Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to put on the brushes on TIKOM G8000. So as you guys see, I already have the brushes. There's the left one and the right one. You have two with the packaging, and all you need to do, I will just quickly flip the robot upside down. So all you need to do, as you see, the right is green, you have the green tip. Just make sure to gently put it inside, and as you see, it's already in. And the left one is red. Do the same, just gently press it on and try to squeeze it in. And as you see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.